loves, so I thought I'd just share with you the way that I blow out my hair right now, just so you guys can see what my hair is looking like. I'm sure my routine will change quite a bit as things change with my hair. I'm using my mom's blow dryer and a Denman brush for the ends. I'm also going to put it on low. So I'm using the As I Am leave-in conditioner first on my hair. I really love this. It smells delicious and it makes my hair really soft. So I'm just going to unravel my hair. It's feeling really moist and soft. I'm going to split each section in two so it's easier to work with. And I just apply a good amount of leave-in conditioner onto my hair just to detangle. As you guys can see, it runs through my hair really well. And then I just go ahead and blow dry my hair using the tension method. If you guys don't know, this method means I just apply tension with my hands there. As you guys can see, I'm pulling on my hair. And as I do that, it stretches the length of my hair as I apply the low heat. And that helps my hair become blow dried without really much effort. If you want a smoother blowout look, you're probably going to want to use a different method. But for me, this worked because I just wanted to stretch my hair for my style, as well as prepare my hair for a trim. As you guys can see here, my ends definitely need a trim. So what I went ahead and did was I used the Denman brush, especially in the back where my hair is the kinkiest, just to help to clear out some of those ends while I was blow drying. But after my trim, I'm not going to have to use that step really. So my hair is nice and smooth and even after I've done the blow drying. And what I'm just going to do is twist it back up to make sure that I get that section out of the way. My hair honestly feels really soft and smooth. I'm really loving the fact that my hair is stretched. It makes for an easier process over the next couple weeks with my hair. As you guys can see, probably my winter hair care routine is going to be going up pretty soon. So you guys can see like how I like to style my hair in the winter time, and blow drying my hair to stretch my hair actually really helps this routine. So as you guys can see here, I'm literally just going to keep doing the same thing to my hair, adding the leave-in condition to each section and tugging on my hair with the tension method so that I can get great smooth results. And in the back especially, I use the Denman brush on the ends so that they're more detangled. this last section, you can see my bangs are totally growing out at this point, which is awesome because I decided I'm not going to keep them. I'm just going to grow my hair out. And so I go ahead and I just detangle all of the twists so that I can show you guys what my hair looks like blown out. I'm really proud of my hair and how far it's come so far in the last year. You guys should get ready to see a length check and hair update from me next month. It'll be an official year after my big chop. I feel like my hair is really thick, and especially here you can see that it's grown a lot and the ends are going to need some attention. So do stay tuned for my trim video, which should come up right after this one. But as you guys see, my hair is really stretched. If I was styling my hair on wet hair, my hair would be really shrunken, and that's fine because shrinkage means your hair is healthy. But as far as managing my hair, stretched hair is a lot easier. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below for my blowout here. It's definitely nothing like super even or super smooth because I'm not going to wear it out like this. I'm literally going to style it after this. But you guys can see my hair is very thick. I have lots of strands, and I'm proud of my hair. I think it's come a very long way. So this is a great way for me to prep for trimming my hair, which you guys will see in the next video. Stay tuned and be sure to leave your comments below. Thanks for watching, guys.